So it's a rainy Memphis morning, and we're looking forward to a good breakfast. We've been told the Garden Brunch Cafe here down towards the waterfront has a really nice brunch. And we're here on a Saturday morning. We're gonna try ourselves out, and I am really looking forward to having my stomach stop growling. Okay, cool. Thanks, yeah.
Hit the road with Steve and Young. From Paris to Tokyo, tasting flavors
nice.
you've never seen.
All right, yeah. She wants the fish and grits. That sounds good to her. And then, how's your bananas Foster pancakes?
Delicious.
Okay, and you know what? I'm actually gonna get a side of grits too, because I'm in the South. How can I not get grits, right?
And you also get a choice of turkey bacon or turkey sausage.
Let's go with the sausage, because they said that's homemade here.
Perfect. And then on those grits, would you like cheese?
Yes, absolutely. How can you have grits and no cheese? What's wrong with you? You know? Exactly.
All right, so they're right there.
Oh, yeah. Okay, that works. That works. Great.
I got you. My name is Shakira.
Okay, so did I pick the right stuff?
I believe you did.
Okay,
You'll
good.
Find out shortly, okay?
Yeah, I guess I will. All right, thank you so much, Shakira. Appreciate
Would you
it.
like to hold on to any menu?
Yeah, let's hold on to one. I gotta tell you guys, I love sitting here on a rainy Memphis morning and looking out at the street and the water falling out there. This just feels so classic. By the way, we just learned that the chef here is an artist, not only in terms of the food, but he's actually drawn all the drawings on the walls and the paintings that are hanging on the walls. Those are all made by the chef. So he is an artist in every sense of the word.
That's amazing.
I think our food is going to be really good. I'm looking forward to it. Get you some fish and grits. Thank you so much. Yeah, there's definitely a feel here where they're doing something more than just feeding you.
Visiting your friend's house.
Yeah, it's kind of like that.
Oh, smells so good.
I want to try this turkey sausage first because this are homemade here. I love homemade sausage. Oh, it tastes good.
Yeah? That pancake is amazing.
Yeah, the pancakes look very good. And the sauce, it's a homemade bananas Foster sauce. Classic bananas Foster flavor, really good. That's very good. And of course, can't be in the South and not have grits. And of course, cheese grits. Gotta do it. Nice grits, perfect texture, good flavor. Got that hominy flavor of corn. Delicious in all. Great Southern breakfast. So that was just a wonderful breakfast. It definitely had the flavor of the South in it. You never never say no to bananas, Foster pancakes, and these were really good. And Young got her fish and grits, which I'm sure satisfied her completely because she loves seafood, she loves fish, and she loves grits. So that works out really good. And she thought this was an amazing breakfast. I thought mine was an amazing breakfast. Homemade sausage. The coffee was good. It wasn't amazing coffee, but it was good. And the pancakes were delicious. And the grits. You can't go wrong with grits in the South. You got to do grits whenever you can. So good. Anyway, so I'm very happy with this. This was a nice breakfast. It's a good Saturday morning. And it was made by an artist.
How was the food?
It was delicious. Talk about art. That was good too. Yeah.
Good. Well, I'm glad y'all enjoyed yourselves.
Yeah, we thought it was fun.
Are y'all from Memphis? I see you have the civil rights.
Yeah, no, we're visiting. I got this yesterday because I liked it. And I wanted to do something for the museum, so I figured, I'll buy something there. And
Yeah.
you know, but yeah, we're really enjoying the city. I love the music, obviously, and we're going to all the museums. We did the Blues Hall of Fame Museum yesterday and the Civil Rights Museum, and we're thinking about maybe doing the Stack Soul Museum today.
My favorite.
Really?
Yes. It's
Okay,
My favorite.
so I'm looking forward to trying that
It's
place
kind of
out.
a rough area.
That's life.
But it's literally, it's my favorite.
Okay.
It's a lot of culture. Last time I've been there was like a year ago. But it has, I think, like one of Michael Jackson's jackets. And I guess
Oh, really?
They have a lot of interesting artifacts.
Okay, that's fun.
It's definitely more uplifting,
Yeah.
than some of the other ones.
Well, this is only my second time back to Memphis, but I'm really enjoying the town. It's great. So, how long you been open here?
So we've been open about a year. We've had the same restaurant concept in Nashville.
Oh, okay.
And in Nashville, we were open for 12 years.
I like the food here better than the food in Nashville, to be honest.
Yeah, that,
You know.
a lot of people say that. Same food, same feel. Then the tornado happened and COVID happened. So
Yeah.
we ended up closing.
Well, thank you for setting this whole thing up. We appreciate it.